Alright, now we back at it. Oh man, I was listening to his Nicki Minaj album. It's a good album. Good album. Now back to this. You see what I did, right? You gotta make sure you put that cotter pen back in there. To all you heavy-handed guys out there that like to really beat shit up and got a heavy hand, I prefer you to make sure you got a rubber mallet hammer if you like to beat shit up. Because if you get to using a slugger like this, you definitely gonna be tearing shit the hell up. You was definitely gonna tear something up. So, and little to some of you guys out there who trying to figure if you in the metric millimeters or if you in the standards, like I told you earlier, I needed a 1/5/16 socket. This 32 millimeter is damn near on point. Unless you want to go a little bigger, get a 33 millimeter. But 33 millimeters, a little inch bigger, but a 32 is pretty much on point with an inch 5/16 socket or a wrench. So, you know, remember that. You know, that's those who got all 32 millimeter sockets. All right. Now look at the weather. It's about to start raining here, so I gotta hurry the hell up. See all of that? It's start raining, so now we back over here. So now we got this on. You see all the white stuff in there? That's this lithium grease from Napa. You could, whatever choice you want to use, but this is a really good white grease because it helps lubricate, not stick, but helps keeps the water and everything from sticking up in here. So when you put this back on, there's a half space there. Make sure you grease that up well with white grease. So grease that up well right there. Make sure you can put some on the threads if you want. Tighten everything down. I put some on here. Now all we got left really is to put the shaft back on. I gotta go fix this hose is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about right here. I gotta be, this hose here, I gotta rip this off. See how that used to be solid white, clear white, plastic. See how now? I've been on there for about 10 years and that damn thing done cooked. So I'm gonna go with this right here. This is rubber insulated with a wire mesh with a rubber in there. So we're gonna go with that one. All right. So I'm gonna show you where it's gonna go. Those on, it's a 1999 Freightliner Classic. I'll be placing the steering box. So those who just starting to watch my video, this gotta go here, right, like so. And this hose, I might need to turn that down some. Yeah, I gotta flex this down. But this need to go. This gotta go here, and this gotta go in here. But I might want it. I'm gonna want it to sit. Might be better off sitting like this. Depends on the holes going in, but we'll see. We'll see. That's pretty much about it. And clean up my work area. See. Thank God for Freightliner with this big old bumper, because I could use this as a work area. See? The wind is blowing now, telling me to hurry up. And engine cleaner, coffee. Yeah, that's about it. That's what I do, a container yard, pull containers. You know? Right. Yeah, they going up the hill right there. That's it. Let's finish up. Get back at ya.